Hi, my name is Nate McCullough. On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, in this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to inspect your vehicle's brake pads. On this particular vehicle here, this set of pads has some return springs. They just simply squeeze in, just like so, and we remove them. We're going to reuse these return springs at a later date, so don't lose them. What you're going to want to do is remove the pad and take a look at the actual surface of the friction material. This is a semi-metallic brake pad. I don't know if you can see the metal flakes shining in it, but you definitely will when you're doing this firsthand. What it's made of is a sponge steel and some resins. They take and make that goo at a very high temperature, and then they do what they call integrally molded. There are no holes on these pads for rivets. This is a molded pad. You're going to want to inspect it to see if it's separating away from its backing at all. This is not. This particular pad here has about 50% of its life left. This is your inboard pad. You can see the shim here. You're going to want to inspect this portion and make sure the rivets that hold the shim on haven't rusted away and that the shim is shifting on you. That can cause damage to other components in the braking system if it does shift. You're going to want to remove the other pad. Get a hold of your retaining clips here. We'll set those down with our return springs. This particular pad here is down to about 30%. It still has a decent amount of life left in it. I would reuse these on any kind of brake repair. You may get 15,000-20,000 miles out of that, and new ones wear just as fast as old ones. As you can see, there are no cracks in the friction material surface. It's nice and smooth. There's an even contour to it. No real excessive grooving going on. The steel backing is still connected all the way around the friction material. No signs of separation. And the shim has its rivets on it that are intact, and the shim is not wrinkled or shifted position. That's the proper way to inspect your vehicle's brake pads. Right there.